Field in line. 6.5 furlongs, 1,300 meters, they're ready. They're off. Race car comes out at the back with Sea Cruise and Coco Chanel. She's a hit as expected, grabs an early lead as they slip past the 6. Solid approach is left back on the outside. There goes Crafty and Ready now in pursuit of the leader. She's a hit, and just about a neck separates them down the back stretch as they arrive at the 5. Eagle One has moved down into third, a length and a half away. Solid approach on the outside, fourth by 4 lengths off those leaders. Race car is further back with a lot to find from there. Then we have a break back as they leave the half-mile marker to Sea Cruise. And last of all, it's Coco Chanel. Crafty and Ready has the lead. She's a hit just there too. Just about a head separates them. Solid approach and Eagle One right there. These four in that tight clump as they leave the 3 and run toward the 7/16th. Race car has made good progress and seems threatening at the 5/16th. Forget the rest. Coco Chanel and Sea Cruise into the lane. Several horses spread across the course. Eagle One over on the rail with a noseband. Solid approach on the outside and Race Car revved up by Dane Nelson in between horses. And Race Car now comes through to challenge and get the lead narrowly over Eagle One. Solid approach now running on the spot. It is Race Car out in front and beginning to come away inside the final 16th. A Race Car running away. Race Car like a Ferrari comes roaring home to win it from Eagle One. Solid approach and she's a hit.
Inside the final 16th, a Race Car running away. A Race Car like a Ferrari.